Tū taiaha. Kuhumai e ngā tōranga tira.
Go hard, cuz. Don't back down. Better be a hard fight. And I know we're both going to be stuffed by the end of this. And but yeah, just remember, we're still family, I guess, in the end. And you were trained under my uncle, and I was trained under the other uncle. So I guess that's going to play a big part today. But in the end, I just want you to go hard. And yeah, hopefully you don't back down just because I'm younger than you or something like that. I still want you to face me, just pretend I'm someone else.
E te huanga e te niho te maripi, kia mate rāno a uriro e Owen, ka warawa koe noho whakatoi mai ki ahau, whakaiti whakaparahako rāna i ahau, ki te hara mai koe ki te pakanga me karawhiua. Koena noi ho tāku kia koe. Tāku hoki kia koe, kai te hoki koe, pakaru rāno tō māhunga e hua. Nō rere e tū koe, karawhiua mai, ko kirihia. Ana.
Round 1 of 2, 2.5-minute rounds. Owen in black opens the scoring. Owen is scoring well as both Toa settle into the fight. Owen scores to the side of Raimona. Raimona attempts to get closer to Owen, thrusting jabs at his opponent. Owen scores with a strike to the head. Paua upoko. Raimona replies with head attacks also. Owen uses his height to reach his opponent. A strike and Raimona nearly loses his weapon. A blowing attack to the face of Raimona. Raimona scores a valuable point. End of round 1.
Yeah, it's going to be a hard, fast fight, and if not, I think that Raimona is probably the most skilled of this competition, to be honest, and so I'm guessing that this is going to be a fight of fights, challenges of challenges, but like I said, there's no backing down. I'm not going to back down, and I know he won't, and if he does, I'm going to whack him across the head.
I know that he's fast off the leap, and then I'll be doing a lot of duck weaves and a lot of stabbing, as opposed to throwing fast strikes as well. As mentioned, I'm trying to conserve my energy and not blow it all out. I know that opening up a strike or leading a strike opens up an opportunity for a hit, so yeah, it'll be a lot of infighting from my point of view.
Second and final round. Raimona opens the scores. Raimona scores to the head of Owen. A swift blow to the head scores. Owen is back. Owen starts to attack the body. A vicious strike to the head from Owen. Owen continues to score. Who will be worthy of making the finals? The last point goes to Owen.
Real tiring, man. Far out. Can't believe how tiring. I remembered when we used to do 3-minute rounds, man. I don't think I could handle that this year, man. Far, that was just too much. 2.5 minute, 2 rounds, man. Far, I was dead.
He's a beautiful, calm fighter. You know, you can see it in his eyes. You can see his focus. Very quick, especially on, I just felt on my hips down the right side here. You know, far around. I was set, bang. What? You got to be joking. Bang. What? You've got to be kidding. You know, just nice focus.
Ka pai Raimona, ka pai Owen. Good fight today. I know you want to know who's won this fight, but I'm not going to announce that until after we see Doug and Joel. So well done today. You can now both leave, and we'll see you both later. Tēnā kōrua.
Too much, bro. Far, that was a mean fight, bro. I don't care if I'm going home from that fight, bro. At least I went home in a mean fight. Far up, bro. Kicking was. Get you next time, dude. And,
You little bugger. Thanks, Owen. It was a bloody pleasure, mate. And you're a brilliant fighter, bro. There's no disputing it. Nice, calm, collected. You're very fast, very talented. Yeah, well,